Hello, my name is Jacobo Lopez and I'm a student of International Business. Today I will be covering two topics from this course. First topic is Communication Foundations and Model, and second topic is Academically and Professional Writing. I chose these two topics because together they just don't explain how communication breaks, but they explain how to fix it on the same page, which is something that I use constantly, both academically and professionally during the lectures. Okay, why do so many emails get misread, so many instructions get ignored, and so many reports end up straight in the trash? Usually the problem isn't what was said, but how it was said. Today I want to talk about two concepts from this course that completely changed the way I think about communicating my ideas. Communication foundations and models, and academic and professional writing. The basic communication model has several parts: a sender who encodes a message, a channel through which that message travels, a receiver who decodes it, and a feedback that closes the loop. But the most important part of the model is noise, everything that distorts the message along the way. And noise isn't just literal, like a loud sound. Noise can be using technical jargon with someone who doesn't understand it, assuming the other person shares your controller context, or simply choosing the wrong channel, like sending an urgent message by email when it should have been a phone call. This matters because it gives you a diagnostic tool. When a communication fails, instead of just feeling frustrated, you can ask yourself exactly where it broke down. Was it encoding the message, choosing the channel, or decoding it on the other end? The second concept is academic and professional writing, the discipline of writing with clarity, structure, and awareness of who you really is not about something sophisticated. It's about saying more with fewer words and adapting you to the tone of the context. An email to a professor isn't writing with the same weight as you write a report for a client. This is key because writing is often the first channel through which someone judges you before they ever met you in person. A confusing email, a disorganized resume, or a report with no structure can cost you an opportunity, no matter how good your ideas actually are. For example, last semester I had to rewrite a group project report 3 times because I was writing for myself instead of for my reader. When I applied the sender receiver model and I asked myself, what does my professor actually need to get out of this in these 30 seconds, I completely changed the structure. I started with the conclusion, not the process. That was the first time I really understood that good writing isn't about sounding good. It's about writing with your reader in mind. Communication foundations gave me the map to understand why something fails. Professional writing gave me the tool I use most every day in my life. Together, these two concepts are shaping how I communicate in every professional space I'm gonna walk into.